epidemic. Listen to the rhyme, to the spit, aggressive. Lethal to the grit, consider your verses a hundred clips of all my made decision. I ain't give a damn if you did listen to the first time I rhyme. Star lines up black as a line. Don't have because I find the mind, leave it express. Shut up, with the trust from the head. Blood shit, extract your energy, got your eyes to see the world proud and young free. You're the target enemy, can't run, can't flee. Return these of a day. Whatever you consume, can't stop the moment to just assume. As long as doom, going to find you and get you soon. Imagine I chose plans to all evils. Embody of the demon, make sure you always were breathing. Confusion of hate, those in hate, no opponents that I made. Leave myself and now, through the last point you hear mine. First time you only word that line. All the answers are black, now this time. Everything that you hate, I make. Everything that you love, I take. Everything you shape, I break. Everything that you protect, I play. Take the heart where the blood is stained. Miserate what you procrastinate. Days of human despair.
Kasama na muli, buong sa dali. Pag maipagmalaki, ikaw ay tumabi. Sa pambilis ikaw ay nawawala din natin sa bandang muli. Kung meron ka pa masabi, ngayon lumapit sa bawat sasabihin ko. Huwag mo na kalaban yung mga sinulat ko. Maniwala ka sa akin, pag ang buong yubi kahit kailan di mo na mapipigil. Sa bawat kataga, sinabi halika na ikaw ay lumapit. Diri ko na humagupit, ako pinakamalupit at wala kang palit. Wala ka na humawin, pilitin mong masubukan mo mamata. Patasin, bilis ang sigla, tumabong ka ba? Bilis na sabi mo ikaw ay kahit na ano pa masabihin, ganito pa mangisipin. Isipin na nilikha namin, walang karapatan upang gayahin. Tagal ang alitan na ating nasimulan, ang iba pang isa pangalan. Kaya lahat makinig, sundan ang anino ko at sa dinami-dami ng mga susubukan. Bakit kami pa? Libo-libo mga pangarap at madugong pakikaharap at sumambulat. At isa pa, hindi ka naman marunong, wag ka na magmagali. Kung wala ka naman tutunong, kung ka na dati, tumabi ka na lang, tumingin, malaman kung sino mas magaling.